We started. Hi, kindergarten. So we have some fun papers to do today. Dressing for fall. Review for you. Subtraction. And we're going to go back to 10 frames. Remember we were learning about 10 frames? Do you want to start with dressing for fall? Dressing for fall. It says circle the child wearing fall clothing. So, fall. Think about fall, boys and girls. Like it's starting to get a little colder. So, yep, you definitely need a sweater. Is this fall? No. Is this fall? That's more winter, right? And this is more spring? Because April showers bring... Because it says circle the child. So only one, we're circling this guy. So this one's dressed for fall. Fall. Looks like she's dressed for spring, right? Spa, and then the king of ing, I-N-G. He's dressed for summer, summer. And she's dressed for winter, winter. You don't have to write those words. I just want to show you. Okay, ready? A low nest. Yes, look where it's at. It's a very low nest. Olivia Taylor, I think one of her nests is low. So let's write a low nest. And they put a pinky space. Make an A. And an L. And an O. And a W. A low, and then pinky space, nest. St. A low nest. Then it says think. Circle the word that matches the picture. Well, let me read your words, and then we'll see if it matches. Flow. Flow. Does this look like flow? Toe. I think that's going to be it. Let's just check this one in case. Mow. No, he's not going to mow. Circle toe. Tow. He's towing the boat. Oh, toe. Let's go down to the bottom. He's mowing, right? Look for mow. Mow. Low, flow. Mow, low, flow. And she's pointing to a branch that's low. Look for low. Low. Fantastic. So we're done with this one. We did the front. And we just finished the back. Good job. Let's go to the next one. Review for you. So I'm going to say the picture, and then we're going to try to find the word. The first one they did for you, burn. See how it's burning? Turn or burn? Burn. This says arc, dark, or mark. Dark, mark. Dark. This is a shirt. So we're going to look for shirt. There it is. SH says shirt. You don't have to circle them. What's this dog going to do? Ooh, he looks mad. He's like, give me a bone. Now, this is a tricky one because they put a B and a D. So you have to make sure you get the one that has a B for bark. Look for B. B-ark or D-ark. Bark. It's the first one, boys and girls. Bark. Fern or burn. They both say See the ER? See the UR? That makes the same sound, Fern. Good. Fur. IR says Fur or dirt. Dirt. IR says Dirt. Look at her dress. She's got some dirt on her dress. It's hard to see it. So we have burn, dark, shirt, bark, fern, and dirt. Dirt. All right, circle the correct sentence for each picture. So let's look at our pictures. This is a fern, right? This is a fern. A fern is green, and so we're going to circle it. They already did it for you. The shirt is green. Number 2. Looks like it's a dish. Let me read you the first sentence. There's a lot of sight words. The shirt had dirt on it. No. Let's try this one. The dish had dirt on it. Yeah. The dish had dirt on it. Circle the second sentence. Looks like it's a little fire going. Sight word the fire. Sight word will burn. The fire will burn. That's probably it. The sight word the rope. The rope. Sight word will turn. The rope will turn. Nope. Let's circle the fire will burn. Look at your bunny. He's like having a little fun. He's riding on a stick horse. Sight word he. Sight word will. There's magic E. Ache. He will take a turn. He will turn. Sight word the earn. Think it's going to be he will take a turn because this kid's waiting over here. Circle the first one. So this is what it looks like. The first one says a fern is green, and then we went to the dish had dirt on it. The fire will burn. He will take a turn. Great, kids. Great, great, great. So we've been learning that UR, IR, ER, say Let me hold on here. Hold on. I have to put this up a little bit. Let me put these cards under here. There we go. Now I can see you a little better, and you can see me a little better. Okay. So we're all done with this one. Look what I got today. These are so pretty. These are called African violets. I should bring in my chocolate. Oh, there's a bunny. I just saw a bunny go by. Oh my word, if Jack saw that bunny, he would take off after it. Okay, let's take out the police one. too much running around. Here we go. It was a beautiful day today. So how many did they give us? They gave us 3 police cars. 1, 2, 3. How many do you have to take away? Just take away 1. So we'll just X 1 out. 1, 2. How many whistles does the policeman have? 2 whistles. We just have to take 1 away. How many is left? 1. Let's read our sentence, our equation here. 3 take away 1 equals 2. That's your sum. 2 take away 1 equals 1. That was very easy. Maybe they'll get harder. I hope. Here we go. How many flashlights do you have? They gave you this many. 4. Take 3 away. So let's X out 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. You only have 1 left. 4 take away 3 equals 1. We have 4 police cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 police cars. Take 1 away. 1, 2, 3. We have 5 police ladies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ladies are going to go away? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Take away 1. 5. Take away 1 is 4. That was really fast. Okay, now you try it. How many do you have? How many should you take away? Go ahead, you do it. And then I'll do it when you're done. How many's left? Just 2. 5 take away 3 equals 2. You can put 5 fingers up. Take away 3. How many's left? 2. 3 notepads. Don't take any away. It says 0. So if you don't take any away, you still have 3. I still have 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 5 badges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to take 4 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, take 4 away equals just 1. I don't think you needed any help with that. You probably were really faster than me. Okay, let's do our 10 frames. This page is going to be a little harder. Oh my goodness. Isn't it aggravating when like your papers, you can't go like this? I like when all my papers line up just perfectly. 10 frames up to 20, it says. Trace each number and fill in the 10th frame. And so we're going to write how many we have. So what's this number? 1, 7 is 17. So trace your 17. Now, we're going to do our 10 frame first. Oof. So I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So fill in your whole 10 frame. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Stop there. Now we're going to do it over here. 10, just go straight up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Stop there. So boys and girls, how many 10s did we have? We only had one 10, right? This one. So we had one 10. And how many ones did we have? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in all, we had 17. 1, 7. Okay, let's do, what number is this? 19. Trace your 1 and trace your 9. Perfect. So the first thing we're going to do in this box is we're going to use our 10. We're going to use 1 10, and then we have to count 9 in our little 10 frame. Ready? So we're going to color this whole thing 10. Just say 10. 10. We can't fill this whole thing in because we only have 9. So just color 9 of these in. Leave one little box open. And that's going to give us 19. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Stop. So we're going to go over here. This is 10 right here, right, boys and girls? We already know this is 10. We know that's 10. So just say 10. Now count up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's where we stopped because of 19. So you had 1 empty and 1 empty. 10 and 9 ones. How many 10s do we have? We only had 1 10, right, boys and girls? See this one? That's 1. But how many ones did we have? Well, we had 9 of those. So in all, we have 19. 1, 9. What number is this? 15. You try it. 1, 5. So we have a 10 frame, so we need to do 10, right? So color this whole thing in for 10, and then we'll do 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop. We're going to do it over here too. This is a different way to do it. 10, and then color in your ones. After you say 10, you count up 11. So do your 10, and then say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many 10s did we have? We only had 1. How many 1s did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you could do it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in all, we had 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In all, when you added them all up, we had 15. Make a 1 and an 8. 1, and then trace your 8. 18. So we're going to do a 10 frame again, because that's 10. 10. Now we're going to color 8 of these little 10 frames. Just 8 because we did 10. Can you count up? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, stop. 18. We don't want to keep going because then we'll go to 19 and we don't want to do that. So you should have 2 empty boxes. So if we counted our cubes, we have 10 cubes, 10, 11, we got to get to this number, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, stop. You should have 2 empty also. So how many 10s did we have? We had 1 10. And how many 1s did we have? 8. How many in all, boys and girls? 18. One left. So we're using the 10 frame and we're using our Unifix cubes. We're doing so good. What number is this? 16. Can you color in your 10 frame? 10. 10. Now go over here. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 16 in our 10 frame windows here. But in our Unifix cubes, we have 10. So we don't have to count, do we? We can just say 10, and then we'll say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're going to color 6 of our cubes. So this is our 10s and our 1s. How many 10s do we have? 1 10. And how many 1s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in all? 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Make a 1 and a 6. If I went too fast, I'm sorry. I'll hold it up and you can pause it. Should I bring it closer? That's a good spot to pause it. Oh my goodness. We have more to do. 10 frames up to 30. $24. So we're going to have a lot of, look at these windows. We have more windows today. We have 1 window, 2 windows, 3 windows. How many are in each window? Count by 10s. 10, 20, 30. They had to give us more windows because we have a big number. Look at our number. Say 24. So we have to color 24 windows. Well, we know this is 10. So let's color this whole thing. Say 10. I can't color backwards. 10. We should just color this whole thing, right? 20. 10, 20. If I color this, it will be 30. But we don't have 30, so we can only color 4 windows. We did 20, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Stop. Because this is 24. 2, 4. I'm going to wait for you to catch up. Oh, I thought I felt something on my ankle. Now let's do it with our cubes. So they gave us 2 cubes, so that's 10, 20, right? Count by 10s. 10. This is 10 cubes, 20 cubes. So let's color those in. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Stop. So how many 10s do we have, boys and girls? 1 10, 2 10s. We have 2 10s. And how many 1s did we color? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4. How many in all do we have? 24. Let's try 28. Trace your 2. Trace your 8. They gave us 10, 20, 30 cubes, right? I'm sorry, window frames. 10 window frame, a 10 window frame, and a 10 window frame. 10, 20, 30. That's better. Let's color in 10. Let's color in 20. But let's not color in this one. That would give us 30, and we do not have 30. We have 28. So now we have to count by ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and finally 28. You have 2 empty ones. Let's do our cubes. There's 10 and there's 20, and then we'll count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we'll do the same thing. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You should have 2 cubes empty up here. Color in 10, color in 20, and then color all of these cubes but leave 2 empty. 28. We have 2 10s we used. Do you see them? 1, 2. 1, 2. And we have 8 1s that we colored. We used, in all, we had 28 cubes. 10, 28. 10, 28. So these are your windows, and these are your cubes. We're trying to get to the same number for both, though. What number is this? 21. So you're going to color your window frames. How many windows are in your window frame? 10. 10 and 20. 10, 21. That was easy. Just do one of them. Let's do it over here. Color your 10, color your 20, and only color one little box. 10, 20, 1. How many 10s do we have? We have 2 10s, right? 1, 2. 1, 2. So we used 2 10s. How many 1s did we color? Just 1. Just 1. So in all, when you add them all up, you should get 21. And we did. We got 21. Look, 10, 21. 10, 21. We only have 2 left, boys and girls. This is going so fast. I need a, you know what I like? It's Chick-fil-A ice. I need some ice. They have the best ice. Just to crunch on. What number is that? 29. So we're going to color in our window frames. Let's see how many window frames we have. We have 3, right? 10, 20, 30. It's too much. 10, 20, 30. But our number is only 29. We do need 20 though. So here's 20. Ready? Here's 10 and here's 20. Now we have to color in 9 of these little boxes. So I colored in 20, 10, 20. Now I can only color in 9 of these. So I did 10, 20, and 9. Leave one empty. Ten, 20. This is hard. 10, 20, and then I can only do 9. And then stop. Leave one empty. How many 10s did I use? 1, 2. It has to be all colored to say you've used a 10. This one we did not use all of it, so we cannot say that's a 10. Only this one is a 10. Only this one is a 10. This is 9 because we used 9 ones. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many 10s do we have? 2 10s. And how many ones do we have? We counted these. There's 9 in there. How many in all? 29. Okay, last one. 26. You try it. Let's see if you get it right. Trace your 2. Trace your 6. Now you tell me how many 10 frames should you color? This is 10, 20, and this is 30. If you color them all, you colored 30. But that's too much. We only have to go to 26. Ten, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So you should have colored 10, 20, 10, 20, and then do 6 of them. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That was with our window frames. With our Unifix cubes, we did 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So we used 2 10s, 6 1s, and 26 in all. 2 10s, boop, boop, and 6 1s, boop, 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 and we're all done. I'll hold it this way in case I went too fast. Great job. You did fabulous. All right, let me put this over here. And hold on. Oh, here it is. My goodness gracious. Ah, dropping everything over here. All right, let's read our story. We did Zacchaeus, and that was so good. You remember the story in the video we watched on Zoom? 2 small coins. The temple was big and beautiful. Many people came there to worship God. Inside the temple were some big money boxes. They were open at the top so that the people could put money in them. The money was for the temple and all that was used in worship to God. So here they come. Everybody wants to give a little bit, so they can help a lot, like a little bit, maybe to help feed the poor or to fix something. That's nice. One day Jesus sat down across from the money boxes. He saw many rich people put in lots of money. Then one poor woman walked up to the boxes and she put in 2 small coins. Jesus looked at his friends. This poor woman put in more than the rich people did, he said. Wait, what? Did you hear that? All those rich people were putting in a lot of money, maybe 5 handfuls, and she just put in bink, 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 and she was done. But Jesus said she put in more money. Why? Here's why. The rich people still have a lot of money left, but the woman only had 2 coins. She did not have any more money. The rich people only gave part of what they had, but this woman, she gave it all. That's a good story. That is a very good story for us to think about. She gave it all. I love that story. All right, before we end, I would like to review real quick. See how many sight words you know. Some mommies wanted to make sure you're doing good on your sight words and you know them all. So if I hold them up, maybe you could call Mom over and say, Mom, I do know a lot. Watch. The, go, a, little, it, happy, look, at. You try to say it faster than me. Green. Okay, this is gross. I gotta get a wipe here because I can at least get my fingers wet. When I don't have one, then I'm like licking my finger and I'm sure it's like, ew, this is gross. Stop licking your finger. I'll put this little wipey down here and then I can just wet my finger that way. Sorry, that was weird. Yellow, blue, here's a hard one. Here, number 10, get. New color word, white. It's America. Saw, black. 7, 3, with, out, purple, red, can, big, I, love, see, color word, brown, school, Number 4, am. 2, will. Are. Ooh. Has. Have. He. Knew. We. Into. Came. That's a hard one. Good. Who. That's kind of new. To. Color word orange. Color word pink. Number 5. Down. New word, please. And then I drew like a little face. Please. Do. Eat. Number 2. Sorry, I didn't say it. 2. All. Up. Be. 8. 6. Jesus. God. 1. 9. New word, make. They. That. T-H-A-T. What? I put a question mark there. What? Help. And. She. In. 4. Let me just make sure that's all of them. Don't see any more. Woo. If you saw this desk, you would be like, this is gross. I think that's all that I have. All right, boys and girls, that's a lot. Look at this. Look how many sight words cards you know. Wow. You guys know a lot of sight words. That's a lot. All right, kindergarten. I will see you tomorrow for Zoom. I love you so much.